Zoom is a very good feature on your iPhone, which magnifies your iPhone's screen so that you can have a better view when you want. However, many of us don't know how to use it, and turning it on accidentally might lead you to a situation like this, and you can't even unlock your iPhone or enter the passcode. So I'll tell you how you can get rid of this situation. I will tell you how to zoom out and how to use this zoom feature on your iPhone. First of all, let me show you how you can fix it. Zoom feature is triggered by double tapping three fingers, and for turning it off, you have to double tap three fingers again. So you are in the zoom screen now, and now you are out of the zoom screen. But if you want to turn this feature off so that it never turns on even accidentally, go to settings, scroll down, accessibility, tap on zoom, and turn it off from here. Now it will not turn on by accidentally double tapping three fingers. And if you want to keep this feature, I'll show you how to use it. Double tap twice to turn it on. Now use three fingers to scroll through the screen. So it was that easy, but most of us just don't know how to operate it. There is one more feature. If you just want to zoom a part of the screen, go to the zoom region option and select window zoom. Now whenever you double tap three fingers, a zoomed in window will appear, which you can move by holding to any of the corners or the borders, and you will have more option if you tap on the white cylinder at the bottom. I hope this video has helped you. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.